Hi Kelly, my name's Christian. I'm with RinGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to give you some free tips and tricks you can use to increase your online presence on your own. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside services like Zillow and Trulia and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you, so obviously they're going to be better. So to start out today, we're going to talk about three things: content, citations, and backlinks. First of all, I have your Facebook page pulled up. So congratulations on the fact that I can tell you're a realtor. You have it blasting everywhere. You have a book now. You have your website link, your phone number. So congratulations on that. Believe it or not, a lot of realtors don't even have that. So you're one up on them. But how many people are finding this Facebook page on their own unless you give them a card and then they go to your Facebook page? That's the real question. So I click on the link to your kellyburrishomes.com, and it brings us over here to your Realty Executives agent site. So it looks like maybe you haven't taken that leap to get your own website. So you're just using the one through the brokerage at this point, which is no problem. So obviously, this website you can only do so much with because you don't own it. But the biggest thing to keep in mind with a website is content. And so content is not just the words, it's also the photos, especially in real estate. The photos, how the photos are saved, alt tags, meta descriptions, the IDX feed, all that stuff. So the thing you want to keep in mind is that all photos, you want to make sure that you save them as keywords that are of relevance to you. So biggest thing, a lot of times when we upload photos to a website, the computer creates a name for it that we don't create for it ourselves. So it'll be usually just random letters and numbers. And that's no good. You're going to want to make sure that you save that as authoritative content because search engines are going to read how you save your photos. Buyer intent keywords, very important. Next is citation. So as you can see, there's not much going on here. You do have a website, so but I'm not sure that this website's bringing you any leads. How many people have came here and actually found you through this website? So next is citations. What a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. So that would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp. As you can see, I typed in, Hickory, North Carolina Realtors. We got Hickory Real Estate. We got Realty Executives of Hickory and Lake Norman, and we got White Chart Realtors, Team Metro. So pretty much bottom line is this: your brokerage is in the second position, but obviously when they click on it, it's probably not going directly to your page. It's going to their main page with however many realtors you guys have. But the thing I want to point out is that you can actually be in this map pack separate from your brokerage. So as you can see, Jay Brown, Osborne Real Estate Group. We have Bill Cox, Realtor. Okay, so you can actually get your own Google My Business page. Shannon Austin, right? So I would highly recommend getting your own Google My Business page. And I actually have Bill Cox, Realtor, up as an example for this website. But point is, you can be in this map pack and get leads through that. So Bill Cox, here's his Google My Business page. So a couple things: when you do get your own Google My Business page, you're going to want to have minimum 25 reviews. So obviously Bill's got 33, he's doing good. You want 25 minimum. And then if you're worried about an address, like if you work out of your house or whatever, either A, you can use your brokerages, or B, you can hide the address. So the address doesn't have to be visible if that's of concern to you. But again, it's also the photos. So how the photos are saved. So you're going to want to have 10 photos minimum. Bill's only got 2. You're going to want 10. So you get 10 photos, you save them right, you're going to beat Bill out of the water. Get those reviews. You'll have a Google My Business page. It'll bring you some, and then potentially have your website, your own separate website that's actually going to help rank on its own as well. And then the last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere that your domain can be found on the internet. And as you can see, your website, so kellyburrishomes.com is actually not an active domain. So it redirects us to this realtyexecutives.com/agent/Kelly Burris. So we're going to use that for this video. And you actually have 22 backlinks from 13 referring domains on this link here through your brokerage. But the thing to keep in mind is that not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to make sure that your backlinks are coming from reputable sites that aren't spammy. So very important. If you can get some better backlinks, then your UR is going to go up, and your power is going to go up, and your visibility is going to go up. I don't think anybody's finding this website. I mean, maybe, I don't know, they might have to go 10 pages down if they typed in Hickory, North Carolina Realtors. But if you get some good backlinks and get your own website, you can actually be up on that first page, second page, and that's really where you're going to get the money. So I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business and bring you some more leads, and in turn money. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us, and thank you very much for watching.